In this video, we will talk about identity operators in Python. So what are identity operators? These are the operators that are used to check if two Python objects are exactly the same objects with the same memory location. Okay, so there are two identity operators in Python, is and is not. Okay, only two operators, is and is not. Now let me explain you the concept of identity operators with the help of an example. So I've created a list, names is equal to Aman, Gurmeet, and then Naman. Okay, now I'm creating another list, names 2. Okay, here also I have replicated this list. So the variable names also holds the same list, and names 2 also contain the same list with the same items. Okay, now in Python there is a function called id function. Okay, this function is used to check the memory location of a particular Python object. So as the argument of id function, you can pass any Python object to check at which memory location it is stored. Okay, so first I am printing the id of names, then I am printing the id of names 2. Now see, names and names 2 both contain exactly the same Python list. You can see Aman, Gurmeet and Naman, no difference at all. Okay, now let's run this, but you will see both of them has a different memory address. You see, this one is at 4016, this one is at 4592. So both of these has different memory address. Therefore these two are although the same, but they are not the same Python objects with the same memory location. Okay, they have different memory locations. So now here we can use membership operators to prove this concept. Membership operators. Okay, so here I can simply print names is names 2. Okay, so this is operator will check if names and names 2 are exactly the same Python objects. If they will be the exactly same Python objects, then it will return true, and if not, it will return false. So the membership operators also return Boolean value. Now let me run this one. So you see, it returns false because names and names 2 are two different Python objects with different memory locations. Okay, now I can also use the another Python membership operator, that is not. So it is the reverse of is. Okay, it will return true if these are not the same Python objects, and will return false if these are the same Python objects. Exactly the reverse of this one. Okay, so you see, it returns first false and then true. Okay, so this is how you can make use of Python membership operators to check if two Python objects are exactly the same with the same memory location.